Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to English with Arthur and Emily. I'm Emily.
And I'm Arthur. Emily, I'm so excited today.
Why are you so excited, Arthur?
Because it's almost Christmas time, my favorite time of the year.
I can see that. You're wearing a Santa hat.
Yes! Do you like it? It has a bell on top. Ding ding!
It's very festive. Well, everyone, today we're going to learn all about Christmas and holiday planning in English. We'll practice real conversations you can use.
And we'll learn vocabulary, right?
Exactly. Let's get started. So here's what we'll do today. First, we'll learn important Christmas vocabulary. Simple words like gift, tree, decoration.
Easy words.
Then we'll practice real conversations, like how to invite someone to a Christmas party, or how to talk about your holiday plans.
Oh, and shopping for gifts?
Yes, shopping for gifts too. And at the end, we'll do some fun practice together.
Don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll speak slowly and clearly.
That's right. We're here to help you. Ready? Let's go. Okay, let's start with basic words. Arthur, what do people decorate for Christmas?
Tree?
Perfect, a Christmas tree. Everyone repeat, Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. One more time. Christmas tree.
Good. A tree is that big green thing with lights and decorations.
Emily, I have a small tree in my apartment, only this big.
That's okay. Small trees are cute too. What else do we decorate with? Well, we have decorations. Say it dec-or-ray-tions.
Decorations. These are pretty things we put around the house.
We also have lights, Christmas lights. They're beautiful and colorful.
Oh yes, red, green, blue, yellow.
And we have ornaments. These are small, pretty objects we hang on the tree.
Ornament? That's a difficult word.
Let's break it down. Ornaments, like little balls or stars you put on a tree.
Ah, I have some. They're shiny.
Great! Let's practice. Everyone repeat after me. Tree, decorations, lights, ornaments.
Good job. Now let's talk about gifts.
Yes, a gift, or you can say a present. Both words mean the same thing.
Gift or present?
Both are correct. I give you a gift, I give you a present. Same thing.
And we wrap gifts in pretty paper, right?
Excellent, Arthur. To wrap a gift. That means to cover it with paper.
Emily, what are you doing for Christmas?
Oh, good question. This is a very common question. What are you doing for Christmas?
This is how English speakers ask about holiday plans.
Exactly. Let me answer. I'm visiting my family. Simple sentence.
I'm visiting my family.
Or you can say, I'm staying home this year.
I'm staying home this year.
Or you can say, I'm traveling to my hometown.
Oh, I like that one. I'm traveling to my hometown.
Arthur, where is your hometown?
It's a small city in the mountains. Very cold. Lots of snow.
That sounds beautiful. So your complete answer is?
I'm traveling to my hometown. It's in the mountains. We'll have a white Christmas.
Perfect. See, everyone? Arthur used simple sentences, but together they tell a nice story.
Now you try. Imagine someone asks you, "What are you doing for Christmas?" Think about your answer.
Maybe you're staying home, maybe you're visiting family, maybe you're working. All answers are okay.
There's no wrong answer.
Here are more useful phrases. Listen, I'm spending Christmas with my family.
I'm spending Christmas with my family.
Continuing, we're having a small celebration.
We're having a small celebration.
Last one, I'm not doing anything special.
You can say that?
Of course, it's honest. Maybe you don't celebrate Christmas. That's okay.
Ah, so you can say, I don't celebrate Christmas, but I'm enjoying the holiday time.
Beautiful sentence, Arthur. Okay, Now let's learn how to invite someone to a Christmas party or dinner.
Oh, I need to learn this. I want to invite my friends.
Great! The simplest way is, would you like to come to my Christmas party?
Would you like to come to my Christmas party?
Perfect. Or more casual, want to come to my place for Christmas?
Want to come to my place for Christmas?
My place means my house or my apartment. It's a friendly, casual way to say it.
So I can say, come to my place.
Yes, very natural.
But Emily, what if someone invites me? What do I say?
Good question. If you want to go, say, yes, I'd love to, or that sounds great.
I'd love to. That sounds great.
If you can't go, be polite. Thank you for inviting me, but I can't make it.
Can't make it? Can't make it means can't come or can't attend. It's a very common phrase. Thank you for inviting me, but I can't make it.
And you can add a reason. I'm visiting my family that day.
Thank you for inviting me, but I can't make it. I'm visiting my family that day.
Excellent. So polite.
Let's practice together. Imagine you're inviting a friend. Say, would you like to come to my Christmas dinner?
Good. Now imagine your friend says yes. You say, great, come at 7 p.m.
Simple and friendly. Emily, my brain needs a break.
Okay. Let's take a mini break. Everyone relax for a moment.
Emily, do you know any fun Christmas facts?
Oh, here's one. In Australia, Christmas is in summer.
What? Summer Christmas?
Yes, December is summer in Australia, so they go to the beach on Christmas.
Beach Christmas. That's so different.
And in Japan, many people eat KFC on Christmas.
KFC? The fried chicken?
Yes, it's a popular tradition in Japan.
That's so interesting. I usually eat turkey.
See, Christmas is different everywhere, and that's beautiful.
Okay, I feel better now. Let's continue.
All right, let's talk about shopping for gifts. This is important.
Emily, I'm always nervous when shopping for gifts.
I know, many people feel this way, but don't worry, let's learn some helpful phrases.
Okay, what do I say in a store?
First, you can ask, can you help me find a gift?
Can you help me find a gift?
Or you can say, I'm looking for a gift for my mother.
I'm looking for a gift for my mother.
See? You tell them who the gift is for my mother, for my friend, for my brother.
That helps the store worker understand.
Exactly. Then they might ask, what's your budget?
Budget?
Budget means how much money do you want to spend?
Ah, so I can say, I want to spend about $30.
Perfect. Or you can say, I'm looking for something under $50.
I'm looking for something under $50.
Another useful phrase, do you have gift wrapping?
Do you have gift wrapping?
Gift wrapping is when the store wraps your gift for you. Sometimes it's free, sometimes you pay extra.
Oh, that's helpful. I'm terrible at wrapping gifts.
Me too, Arthur. Me too.
To the audience, what if I don't like anything in the store?
You can say, thank you, I'll think about it. Very polite.
Thank you, I'll think about it.
Or you can say, I'll come back later.
So, thank you for your help. I'll think about it.
Perfect. Polite and natural. Now, let's learn Christmas greetings. These are phrases you say to people during the holiday season.
Interesting. Like Merry Christmas?
Exactly. Merry Christmas is the most famous one. Say it with me. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
You can also say Happy Holidays. This is more general, good for all celebrations.
Happy Holidays.
Some people don't celebrate Christmas. They celebrate Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or other holidays. So, Happy Holidays includes everyone.
That's nice. Very inclusive.
Continuing, another phrase is Season's Greetings.
Season's greetings.
And don't forget New Year. You can say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And don't forget, I wish you a wonderful holiday season.
I wish you a wonderful holiday season.
These are beautiful phrases. They show kindness and good wishes.
Everyone, let's practice together. Say with feeling, Merry Christmas.
Now say Happy Holidays.
And Happy New Year.
Beautiful. You sound so natural. Okay, now we're going to do a complete conversation. Arthur and I will talk, and you can listen.
I'm ready.
Imagine, Arthur and I meet at a coffee shop in December. I'll start. Hi, Arthur. Long time no see.
Hi, Emily. Yes, it's been a while. How are you?
I'm great. Aren't you ready for Christmas?
Kind of. I still need to buy some gifts. What about you?
Same here. I'm also decorating my apartment this weekend.
Oh, nice. Do you have a tree?
Yes, I just got a small tree. It's so cute.
I have a small tree too. We're tree twins.
Tree twins. I love it. So, what are you doing for Christmas Day?
I'm traveling to my hometown. My family is having a big dinner. What about you?
I'm staying here. A few friends and I are having a small party.
That sounds nice.
Actually, if you're back in town, you're welcome to stop by.
Thank you. That's so kind. I'll let you know.
Perfect. Well, Merry Christmas, Arthur.
Merry Christmas, Emily.
See? That's a natural Christmas conversation.
We talked about plans, we talked about preparations, we invited each other, all simple sentences.
Now you try. Imagine talking to a friend. What would you say?
Think about, what are you doing for Christmas? Do you have a tray? Are you buying gifts?
Take a moment. Practice in your head. Or say it out loud.
Don't be shy. Practice helps you improve.
Wow, we learned so much today.
Yes, Christmas vocabulary, conversations, invitations, shopping phrases.
I want to tell you something important. Learning English is not about being perfect.
That's right. It's about trying. It's about practicing.
Maybe today you learned 5 new words. That's amazing. Maybe you learned 1 new phrase. That's wonderful.
Every small step matters.
And you know what? You can use these phrases right now. The holidays are coming. You might meet English speakers. You can say Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays.
You can invite someone to your home. You can talk about your plans.
I believe in you. We really do.
English learning is a journey. Some days are easy, some days are hard, but you're here. You're watching. You're trying. That's beautiful.
Keep going, friends. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself.
And most importantly, have a wonderful holiday season.
Yes, enjoy the holidays. Spend time with people you love. Eat good food. Rest. Be happy.
And remember, English is just a tool. The real magic is connecting with people.
Exactly. Language brings people together. Okay, friends, before we go, we have a question for you.
Yes, in the comments, tell us what's your favorite Christmas tradition.
Maybe you decorate a tree, maybe you cook special food, maybe you sing songs.
We want to hear from you. Share your tradition in the comments.
And it doesn't have to be perfect English. Just try. We'll read all your comments.
Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
It helps other learners find our videos. And if you're new here, subscribe to our channel.
We make new videos every week to help you learn English in a fun, easy way.
Thank you so much for watching.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Happy holidays.